everyone, my name is Tess Gamble, and I'm the owner of Pendapun, an Atlanta concierge firm. Today, we're going to be cooking metabolism reviving spicy cabbage soup. I know that's a mouthful, but that's why I had to look at the book to tell you what I was cooking. So today, I'm going to be cooking from Oh She Glows Every Day by Angela Liddon. This book was actually recommended to me by a dietitian, and I actually love it. The recipes are very simple. There's a short period of time that it takes to cook them. It usually recommends like a prep time and a cook time, and those are pretty accurate. I've been pretty close to staying on time even when I haven't prepared for a recipe. It's more of a plant-based recipe book, but overall I think it's great. I think if you decide to pick it up, I truly believe you'll enjoy it. So let's get started on making our spicy cabbage soup. We are done making the metabolism reviving spicy cabbage soup. And by the looks of it, it looks really good. I can't wait to try it, which I did get a little sample before presenting, and my cameraman said it was great too. But I've paired it with a side salad and toast. And I think you have a well-balanced meal with everything we have here.
Pendapun, an Atlanta concierge firm.